Welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself, Aishwarya Saxena, and in this Python programming series, I have already uploaded 85 plus videos till now. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe it and also hit the notification bell because a lot of videos are coming soon. In today's video, I am going to talk about that how you can insert multiple records into MySQL database using Python code. We have already seen 4 programs in this playlist of MySql Connectivity, Python with MySql Connectivity. And this is the 5th program where we are going to talk about that how you can insert multiple records into MySQL database table using Python code. So let's do this. I'm just importing the MySQL dot connector. Then I'm taking here mydb equals to mysql.connector.connect. Here I'm taking the host equals to localhost. Then user equals to root. Then password I don't have, so password empty. Then database I'm choosing db2. Okay. So here I'm taking the cursor. Without the cursor, you won't be able to execute the queries. So we are taking here the MySQL cursor. As I'm taking a variable in which I'm taking the query. So I'm taking the insert query, insert into book. That is our table name. And the fields which we are having, that is book ID, title, and price. I will show this in the database also. Let me show you. Here you can see. So select asterisk from book. So here you can see 3 records are present. Book ID, title, price. Book ID, I is capital. And the records are 101, 102, 103. And the price and all everything is present here. You can see. So I'm just going to move further. And the values which we are going to insert, I will be simply taking here string s, %s, and %s. So after this, I'm taking here the book variable. Actually, what we have to do, we have to insert multiple records today. So when you want to insert multiple records, so you can use the list and tuple. I am taking here the list right now. In Python, we have already talked about the list concept. I hope you have watched that video. So here I can give the value. Suppose I'm giving 104 and the book I'm taking PHP. Some price I'm taking first value, then second value. Suppose multiple records you have to insert. No. So I'm taking another, like inside the list, I'm taking tuples. 105, web development or web designing, and some price. Then let's say one more record, so one more tuple, 106. And here I'm taking HTML. Okay. Then some price I'm taking. Okay. So these 3 values records we have taken, and you can see we have taken a variable books inside, like we have taken a list in the variable books. It is the list, and inside the list we are having multiple tuples. So the tuples are actually the records which will be inserted. Now we have to execute this query. We are having many records, so we are going to use execute many, and here you have to pass this and the variable which is holding the, like s is the string of query. This is the string of query. This is the query of insertion, and books is the string, or you can say a variable where all the values are present. Then simply the mydb.commit. Okay. So I will run this and there will be no output present here. Exit code 0 should be coming. And here it is giving the error right now that can't connect to the MySQL server. Okay. Let's check the reason behind. So import to MySQL connector we have taken. Then we have simply taken the mydb mysql.connect. That is absolutely correct. Let me check that everything is fine. The cursor we have taken the mydb.cursor. That is fine. Okay. Though connection lost, it's saying. So let's check that what is the problem here. I'm just opening the MySQL once again. Such problems can arise, so it is not a problem. And yes, you can see that here the spelling is wrong. So localhost spelling was wrong. That was the reason mainly. Let's see and run it. You can see now there is no problem. Okay, now it is giving us process finished with exit code 0. That means everything is fine. And here you can see this is our code, and I have already opened here the MySQL. So I'm just showing you the databases here. I'm taking here show databases, then use db2 I'm taking, and describe, like I'm taking like show tables also. Here you can see, so describe book and select asterisk from book. So it will be just giving all the records, and you can see 6 records are present here. Previously there were 3 records, and we have just inserted these new 3 records here. So okay, here you can see, so these new 3 records which we have inserted, they have been inserted into the database successfully. That's why we are now having 6 records present here. So it was really simple. I hope you have enjoyed it and you have understood it. In case you have any query or any doubt, you can just ask it in the comment section. I will be definitely helping you out. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe it and also hit the notification bell, because after pressing the notification, you will start getting the notifications of my latest uploads. See you in the next video with some new topic in this playlist.